Okay, welcome to another session of projection of straight line. So today we are going to solve another problem. See the problem carefully. The one end of line is given, another end of line is also given. Front view is inclined 45 degree to XY, and while its HT and VT are 45 and 30 mm below XY. So this is another feature added today. Now we are going to solve problems of traces. So when traces are given, how to solve the projection of straight line. So let's start the problem. As whatever the easy data we have to draw, that we should draw. So start XY line as usually. Then first we draw point A, that is 10 mm above HP. So this is A dash 10 mm above HP. Now we draw 45 degree line. This is the inclination of front view which is given. This distance is 10 mm. Now we have given HT and VT 45 mm and 30 mm below XY. So we presently don't know that where exactly this point comes. So what we have to do? We have to draw the locus of HT and VT. 45 mm below, that is the locus of HT, and 30 mm below, that is the locus of VT. Now, this 45 degree line is our front view line. So we know that when we extend this front view back side, we get H dash point at XY line. And VT, which is the locus already we have drawn. So we got 2 points, that is H dash and VT. Now, if we project VT on XY, we get a point V. And when we draw a projector from H dash, we got HT, that we have already drawn the locus of it. Now these 2 points we have drawn, HT and VT. Now see here, just like this, that H dash and VT, we can join it because these 2 points are in a line. Just like that, if we join V to HT, if we join V to HT and extend on this line, we get top view. As on this line, we get front view. Okay, now we draw the locus of another point, that is B. The other end is 100 mm in front of VP. It is given in the problem. So now we join V to HT and extend. If we extend in the projector of A dash, we get A. And in the locus, on the locus of B, we get B. So in this way, we complete our top view. Now, if we complete our top view, we can easily complete our front view. Yes. So this is point B dash. So our projection, front view and top view complete. Now we go for finding theta and phi. Now first, we rotate top view. We get a point B1. Then project it as we draw the locus from B dash and B earlier. we get point B1 dash. Now we join B1 dash to A dash. So this is our angle theta, and this line gives us the true length. In the same way, we rotate front view. We get point B2 dash. Then we project it on locus of B. So we get point B2 and join B2 to A. We get again one true length and angle phi. So in this way we complete this problem. Now at last we have to check that both true lengths should be same. Both true lengths should be same. This is our last checking, which gives you that your problem was correct. Now we get another problem. This is also problem with the help of ST and VT. Now front view of line is given. Its length is also given. Its angle is also given. Top view angle is also given. The end is 15 mm above HP and its VT 10 mm below HP. Now draw the projections. Now first of all draw XY line as usual. Then first draw point A, which is 15 mm above HP. This point A dash is 15 mm above XY line. Now on A dash, we can draw an angle alpha, means angle of front view. And the length of front view is also given. So we know the point B dash. This completes our front view. Now we draw the locus of VT. The locus of VT. VT is 10 mm below HP. So 10 mm below, we draw a locus. And we know that VT is a point on the extension of front view. So we extend front view. We get a point H dash on XY line and VT. So these 2 points we already find. Now project VT on XY line. We get a point V. And we know that top view makes 30° with XY line. Just like the front view is 45° inclined and the angle 45 is same here also. So on V, we can draw angle 30°. So on V, we draw an angle 30°. On this angle, we get top view. So we extend this on the projector of A dash, we get A. On the projector of B dash, we get B. So this is our top view, A and B. So in this way, we complete the projection front view and top view. Now this point is ST. Now first of draw locus, then rotate top view. We get point B1, then project it on the locus of B dash. We get point B1 dash and join B1 dash to A dash. This gives us angle theta and true length. This is our true length. This is our true length. Now the same process we apply for front view. Now rotate front view, we get point B2 dash, then project it on the locus, we get point B2 and join B2 to A. This gives us again true length, and this angle is phi. So we already determined the inclination with HP and VP and also true length and draw HT and VT. So this completes our problem. Okay, now in next class we again solve some problems.